welcome back to my channel, everyone. So in today's vlog, I am going to talk about a shopping haul that I had at IKEA. So during the pandemic, I did some online shopping. I ordered some stuff through their system, which was called click and collect before, you know, everything was open. Today is 4th of July, so happy 4th of July to everyone. Have a safe 4th of July. Avoid crowds, avoid big gatherings, avoid not wearing your masks. Even if you're outside in a barbecue and it's just, you know, a few people, make sure you wear your masks when you're in close contact with people, just to avoid, you know, spreading the virus more. Here in New York, it seems like things are under control, so that's actually pretty awesome. So I think, I don't know, shutting down the freaking state for almost 4 months. It is 4th of July again. Stay safe and enjoy your weekend. So I went to IKEA. First of all, I shopped at IKEA online on their click and collect service, and I got some awesome stuff that I want to show you guys. And then I think it was on Thursday, I went and I physically went to the store. Finally, stores opened. I went to a store in New Jersey, right over the bridge. I live in Staten Island, so it's pretty convenient. I went to Elizabeth, New Jersey, and I purchased some other stuff for another project that I'm gonna do after I finish the current project I'm working on. I'm actually working on like 4 things, but the current project that I'm doing is the shopping haul that I'm going to show you guys today. So again, this is an IKEA shopping haul that I did, and I'm also going to show you this awesome new workstation that I have. It's also from IKEA, and I absolutely love it. I mean, it is a mess right now. I'm looking at it, but it is a work in progress. So I'm working on that. And I hope it turns out amazing. Thank you. So I just want to show you guys what I'm wearing for 4th of July. Just something really loose and comfortable, and these really nice and comfy also flats. This is from Old Navy, I believe, and if I'm not mistaken, my flats are also from Old Navy. And since it is part of the shot, I'm gonna show you guys my workstation. So this is currently a work in progress. This is my new workstation. Basically my art supplies, craft supplies, just everything, absolutely everything I need. It even has a table. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this thing from IKEA, and things are falling because, like I said, it is an absolute mess. So this is what it looks like when it's open. I can't wait to get working on this thing. Okay, so this is what I've been working on, basically building this thing for the past almost 3 weeks now, because it's heavy. It's a lot of pieces. It required a lot of work, so that was that. I'm going to prompt the camera, and then we're going to get started on our shopping haul. Okay guys, so let's get into the haul. The project that I'm like bumping into things. There's so many things around me right now. It is insane, absolutely nuts. So the first project that I'm working on mainly right now is my kitchen. So I'm fixing up my pantry, making it more Pinteresty. I have some Pinterest ideas of what I want to make it look like. I'm trying to get away from single-use plastics and just like having clutter boxes and things like that. So I decided to get containers from IKEA, which I'm going to show you, to basically store my food products. So this is one of the containers that I got. I actually got 2 of these. One of them is for a DIY. This is from IKEA 365, and the other 2 are for my pantry. So it's kind of to store like sugar, flour, pasta, things like that, like elbows, not spaghetti, obviously. I bought a different type of container from Amazon to basically store my pastas and things like that. So I'm really trying to make my pantry very eco-friendly and get rid of anything that's single use and things like that. I'm actually doing that all throughout my apartment. The other kind that I got is this massive one. I think this one is like, oh yeah, 112 ounces. So this I'm gonna use for like flowers, sugar, things like that. I got 2 of these and I got 3 of those, but one of them is for a DIY. So we're gonna put these to the side. Obviously the other ones are the same, so I'm not gonna show you the same thing. I got these, these I got when I went to IKEA on Thursday. This was an amazing find. They're the samahang, like basically they're like bowls, decorative bowls. So you put things inside, it opens, they have a lid, it's beautiful. They're a dome shape. So usually they were, originally they were $3.50, but I found them on the as is part of IKEA and I got them for $2. Okay, $2, 2 of them. So I got each one for $1, which is a steal, and they're a really good quality. Like the glass that it is, because it's glass, is really strong, really sturdy. So I can't wait to do a DIY with that. The next thing I got is also for my kitchen. It is a potato peeler. Yay. And this is a serving bowl. I am getting into like basically making everything white and glass and earth tones and getting away from getting like colored things. I don't want anything colored in my kitchen. I recently just moved back to my apartment, so that's why I'm basically buying new things and making sure that everything is how I want it to be, so that I am comfortable, you know, so that I'm happy when I'm cooking and doing all these things. This thing is absolutely amazing. It is a massive strainer from IKEA, and it has these expanders, so you can basically expand it and put it like at the length of your sink. I love this thing because I don't like to wash my vegetables and stuff on the sink, because that's where I put my dirty dishes, and even if you like clean it and stuff, I'm still iffy about that. So I prefer to wash them inside a container. So when I found this, when I saw this, I was like over the heels. This is amazing and absolutely must have from IKEA. It is a strainer. I don't remember the name of it, but I'm pretty sure if you go on the IKEA website and you put in strainer, you will find it. It is amazing. Also, the bowls that I got to put all my dry food and all that stuff come with these lids. You can actually get glass lids, but I prefer to get these bamboo lids. I just thought that the aesthetic was a lot nicer. It just looks better. So I got these bamboo lids. They're also from the IKEA 365. It's design Sarah Fager. So I love. The next thing I'm going to show you guys is also from IKEA. Well, everything right now is from IKEA. These are, can you guess what they are? I can't get it open. They are bamboo straws. I absolutely can't wait. They come with a little like bamboo bristled brush also to clean them. I cannot wait to try these. I cannot wait to get rid of any single use plastics that I use. I don't like to put my mouth on the cups or on bottles and things like that, so I prefer to use straws. So the fact that I found these in IKEA, and I think they were like $2. I just love them. You can search bamboo straw, you will find them. They're amazing. Please get them. It helps the environment and they're absolutely beautiful. The next thing I got was like a cookie jar. but I don't think I'm going to be using it as a cookie jar. I'm not using it as its intended purposes. It comes with two, let me see, I should have gotten, oh, scissors. That worked out. See, this is why I needed this station. So it comes with two containers. I think the bigger one I will use to like store crackers and things like that, but the smaller container I actually want to use it to store my tea. I am going to DIY this into a tea storage container. So that's going to be one of my kitchen hacks, kitchen DIYs, IKEA hacks, whatever you guys want to call them. And then I also got these serving bowls. I love to eat like sour cream and chips and, you know, yada. So you always have multiple sauces. This comes with 4 containers. It comes with 3 9x7 and then 1 24 by 11 inches. Centimeters, actually, I'm sorry, 9x7 centimeters, and the other one is 24 by 11 centimeters. But they're absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to try them and just feast. Okay, as my girl.
Thank you for watching, everyone. I appreciate your support highly, and don't forget to comment, like, and share.